Hello friends. So we were continuing with axioms in geometry. So last time we studied three basic axioms. Today we'll continue with the fourth. So the fourth axiom goes like this. There is exactly one plane passing through three non-collinear points. So in order to understand this axiom, we must understand the meaning of collinearity. What are non-collinear points? What are collinear points? So basically collinear points are the points which lie on the same line. So these points, let me name it as A, B, C. So points A, B, C are collinear points lying on line which I have named L. Okay. So these are collinear points. So points lying on the same line are called as collinear line, collinear points. And basically, non-collinear points are which points which do not lie on the same line. So point A, B, C are called as non-collinear points. Since we cannot draw a single line passing through these points. Like in the case of this, we could draw a single line L, but here we cannot draw a single line passing through all these 3 points. So this is the difference between collinear and non-collinear. So the axiom states that if there are three non-collinear points, X, Y, Z, then there is exactly one plane. Uh, Plane is not basically two-dimensional sheet. Okay, so there is exactly one plane passing through these three non-collinear points. So this was the fourth axiom. Fifth, when two planes intersect, their intersection is exactly one line. So in order to understand this, consider two planes. This is the first plane. Let me name it as E, and this is the second plane. So this is plane E and this is plane N. So we observe that both of them intersect at one line. See, we can see that this is one plane, this is the other plane, and both are intersecting at one line, this line. Okay, so this is one common line of intersection. Okay, let us go to the sixth one. When a line intersects a plane but does not lie on it. This is an important statement. Then their intersection is a point. See, if there is a plane, okay, and there is a line, but this line does not lie on this plane. So it could be something like this line and going downwards, like under the plane. So so we can see that there is only one point, this point x, where this line intersects this plane, and note that this line does not lie on the plane. So guys, this was our session on axioms. In future lectures we will study more axioms. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.